if you ever start getting a water leak here on your Toyota Tundra, this is what's wrong, that gasket. You can get these gaskets at your local Toyota dealer, or you're going to order it online, but it's going to cost you about $15, $20 just to ship a $13 part. But here go how you replace it. And this truck is 14 years old, so it's about time for us to replace that gasket. Remove the 4 screws right here in the front. Get you some kind of plastic wedge, and you pull this face cover off. And you're going to see when I pull this face cover off, my seal has dry rotted, and it's leaking behind that seal. So before you start doing anything else, replace this seal. Do not try to replace that assembly because it's a mess. I've tried it and I screwed up really bad and broke the piece. So I just put some silicone back there. But I'm going to show you what you have to do. To replace the assembly, you got to remove this face. You can't pull this thing right off. No, that's what I did. I tried, and I'm going to show you what happened when I tried it. I did this about 6 months ago. But look, I broke that little piece right there. It's part of the assembly. And to get to it, you got to remove this header, this liner up here just to get to the screws. And I'm not doing that. So we're going to go back to changing the gasket here. So like I said, you can order this at your local dealer, which is the best thing to do. If they have it on Amazon, I'll put a description, but I tried. You see this gasket, look like they just cut it and glued it together. And it feels real. It's like foam-like. It seemed like it don't last that long, or maybe 2-3 years, but this been on there 14 years. So if I got 14 years out of it, it's good. So you just put it in this little groove there. And it's going to seem like it's too big, which it probably is. You can still cram it in there. As you can see, I'm pushing it all in there. And believe it or not, after I put this seal in, or this gasket in, no more leaks. You know, it's been a month now, and I still haven't got no leaks on this thing. So you put that new gasket in, and this thing cost me about, I think, $13 or $14 from the dealership. And I can order it online for about $9, but it costs another $15 to ship it. So once you get that seal in, just put the cover back on. Make sure you're getting it on right. And it's going to push that seal on in better and seal everything. And you put your 4 screws in. And what you want to do, once you put these 4 screws in, do not over tighten this thing, because you're going to end up breaking that face plate. And if you break it, you can always order another one online or from your dealership. You see, once I got them on, screwing everything down, then I'll make sure it's snug. I'm not going to over tighten it, because you can crack that face plate. And once that's done, you're good. So if this video helps, subscribe to my channel, and thank you, and have a great day.